Hey everybody, this just arrived today. Let's get it open and see what we got. There it is. Okay. Let's get this open and see what it looks like. It says it's 14 inches overall, a satin finish, stainless steel blade Bowie knife. Genuine deer stag, horn handle, brass guard, and end cap. Comes with genuine leather sheath. So, let's get this open, see what's in there. Okay. There's the sheath. Let's get it out of the package. Okay, it says Whitetail Cutlery stamped into the sheath. It's got double bank line stitching around the edges. It's got a really solid brass snap. It's got a big belt loop, about a 4-inch belt loop on it. It's got 2 rivets there. I don't see any drain holes or leg tie-offs or anything. It's got very thick welting in it, like very thick. An idea of how thick that is. And it looks like it's real leather. It definitely smells like real leather. It's pretty solid sheath considering. But you're not here to see the sheath, I'm sure. Let's take a look at this knife. Give me a second. Okay, there it is. It's got a little piece of rubber on the end there to protect you from getting poked. There it is out of the package. It definitely is a satin finish clip point stainless steel blade. It's got a brass handguard, which very much resembles the handguard on the case XX Bowie. Okay, over here it says Whitetail Cutlery. It's pretty nice. And it's got the stag like horn handle there, the antler handle. It's got the brass butt cap. So, there it is. Now the spine on this is actually fairly sharp. You could probably throw a spark from a fire steel with it. Seems like it arrived quite sharp. Okay, it fits in my hand okay. Got some texture there from the stag handle. Not too shabby. Okay, the handle's about 4.5 inches long. And the overall for this blade, it's got about an 8-inch blade because that's where it's sharpened at. But if you could count it clear to here, say it's about 9 inches. And it is about 14 inches overall, just like the box said. It's about 3/16 of an inch thick. Okay. Okay, I got a sheet of printer paper. And this is the knife right out of the box. See if it arrived sharp at all. It's fairly sharp. Not too shabby. Okay, this is how it looks inside the sheath. And they put the retention strap on the blade side so that when you put the knife in or when you draw it out, you kind of risk cutting the strap. So I actually prefer it when that retention strap's on the other side, but it does look good in there and it does the job. You just have to be careful. Okay, not a bad knife for the money. Now this is it beside the case XX Bowie that I recently picked up. You can see lengthwise they're almost identical. And this is what I was talking about. The guard looks very similar. You can tell this looks like a cheaper, lower quality brass on this knife. This has the satin finish. This has more of the mirror finish. But they're both interesting in their own right. This is the sheath for the case, and this one is the sheath for the Whitetail Cutlery. Now this one's very expensive, and the fit and finish on it is excellent. And this one is less than half the price. And obviously the fit and the finish kind of shows. But I wanted a more of a user-friendly knife. And one that I wouldn't care so much if I damaged it at all. Like a nice beater knife, I guess. And I kind of like the stag handle. Like the round stag like that, so... They do make a case knife that has the stag handle, but they run like $500, and they usually have like real nice portraits painted on the blades and stuff, so I'd hate to like destroy something like that. Well, that's all I have today for this unboxing. It's the Whitetail Cutlery Stag Handle Bowie Knife. It doesn't say where it's made or what it's made of. It just says it's stainless steel, so it's probably 420 steel from China, I'm imagining. But I'm not sure. But I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Joe Doomsday signing out.